Concorde airplanes were developed by a partnership between British Aerospace and the French company Aerospatiale in the 1960s. The first prototype of the Concorde was built in France in 1965. And the first flight took place in March 1969. The Concorde was a supersonic passenger jet that could reach speeds of up to Mach 2.04, or more than twice the speed of sound. The Concorde made its first commercial flight in 1976, flying from London to Bahrain. Unfortunately, the Concorde was involved in a major accident in 2000 when one of the planes crashed shortly after takeoff from Paris. The crash was caused by a piece of debris on the runway, which punctured a tire and caused a fuel tank to ignite. All 109 passengers and crew on board, as well as 4 people on the ground, were killed. The Concorde was grounded for more than a year after the accident while improvements were made to its design and safety features. The Concorde continued to fly until 2003, when it was retired by British Airways and Air France. The plane's high operating costs, along with a decrease in demand for supersonic travel and concerns about its environmental impact, contributed to its retirement. Despite its short lifespan, the Concorde remains an icon of aviation history and technological innovation. The Concorde aircraft was a supersonic passenger jet that was in operation from 1976 to 2003. It was jointly developed and produced by British Aerospace and the French company Aerospatiale. The Concorde was capable of flying at a maximum speed of Mach 2.04, or roughly 1,354 miles per hour. This allowed it to fly faster than any other commercial aircraft and reduced travel time significantly. The plane was powered by 4 Rolls-Royce SNECMA Olympus 593 engines, which had a thrust of 38,050 pounds-force each. The Concorde's range was limited, however, due to its fuel consumption, and it typically flew between London and New York, or London and Washington, D.C. The aircraft's cabin was designed to accommodate up to 100 passengers, and offered a range of amenities including reclining seats, individual audio systems, and a gourmet restaurant. Despite its technical capabilities and sleek design, the Concorde was retired after 27 years of operation due to declining passenger numbers and concerns over safety following a crash in 2000. The Concorde was a supersonic jet airliner that flew from 1976 to 2003. It was jointly developed and produced by British Aerospace and Aerospatiale under an Anglo-French treaty. The Concorde had a maximum speed of Mach 2.04, about 1,354 miles per hour, and could cruise at an altitude of 60,000 feet. It had a range of about 4,000 miles and could carry up to 100 passengers. One of the key technical features of the Concorde was its delta wing design, which allowed it to fly at supersonic speeds while maintaining stability. The aircraft was also equipped with a droop nose, which could be lowered during takeoff and landing to improve visibility for the pilots. However, the Concorde was retired in 2003 following the crash of Air France Flight 4590, which resulted in the deaths of all 109 passengers and crew on board. The incident raised concerns about the safety and sustainability of supersonic travel and ultimately led to the retirement of the Concorde fleet.